going to do some unboxing and reviews for some of the stuff that I just bought from the American Girl Doll website. Everything here is up to 60% off, and I think I got a flat rate shipping at 5 something US dollars as well. So I'm pretty excited because I got some amazing deals here. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to open up, it's a pair of shorts in cotton twill fabric. I think I got this for about $5, and it came with this hanger. I think it's great for like an outfit hanger. And let's check it out. So we have the Velcro closure at the fly front, center front, and then there are two functional pockets and two belt loops. At the back there are two patch pockets, and they're all functional with the orange top stitching. So for $5 is an amazing deal. And the next one, I think it's again, I got it for $5 for this skirt. And let's open it up. I love how the fabric has the top stitching and it's a star pattern. And here are the two functional pockets, and we have elastic waistband with the contrast purple tie, and it's fully lined. So the quality is great, and I think for this price it's a great deal. The next style is the hooded denim jacket, and I got this for $7. So that's how it looks like. It has a yoke at the back and top stitching and self binding at the bottom, and the sleeves and the hood comes in the single jersey fabric with the ribbed sleeve hem, and two pocket flaps at the front and yoke at the front. And you can see there's a star and also a star embossed and butterfly on the left chest. So the front closure is our buttonhole closure, and that's how I like it. So they have the buttonholes instead of Velcro, and that's how it's finished from the inside. Overall for $7, I think this is like 50% off. That's a really good deal, and I love it. The next package is the stripes and dots swimsuit, and that's how it comes in. I got this set for $8, which is not bad of a price, and let's open them up. So here's just a regular bikini with the dots at the center and then the stripes fabric at the sides, and there's an embossed star. Simple style but super cute, and here is the top. Has the stripes at the center front, and that's the center back, and there's a functional zipper with the star puller. I always love how things are being closed and open with zippers or buttons instead of Velcro. The style looks more realistic, and that's how it looks like. The next outfit is called the dot skirt outfits, and this is how the packaging looks like. It looks pretty poor packaging, and I was a little bit disappointed because I thought the fabric was a woven fabric, but when it came for the top and the bottom, it's actually a single jersey knit fabric. And because of the knit fabric, the color's kind of a little bit faded, especially with this top, the polka dot. So this cup comes in with short sleeve, crew neck, binding with self bias binding, and then it has two seams at the front, and the gathers at the bottom hem. Has the Velcro closure. I didn't like how they have the Velcro a little bit too short. It should have been a little bit longer, but that's how it is. Very cute top. The style is super cute, and we have a flare skirt. Again, this fabric, the pattern is super adorable. It has the elastic waistband. Very simple, stylized, but I love these sandals. So there are double bows at the front and elastic at the back, and it came in yellow color, and the soles come in white and black. And I just love the yellow color, and I love this style. The next style is a pink ruffle outfit. So again, I got this outfit for $14, and the bodice part, it's sequins pink fabric and cap sleeve, and at the bottom it has 1, 2, 3 mesh, stretchy mesh skirt layers with the lining. And then it's got the rhinestone at the waistline, Velcro closure at the back. And the dress is actually really cute, and the neckline is just a turned in and top stitching. And then again, it's a really good surprise to see such a cute, adorable pair of sandals in that pink colors, elastic at the back. And I love this style. Super adorable. I'm very happy. And for $14. The next one is a black sparkle outfit. So it comes with this cape, fur cape, and it has the lining, and then the ribbon tie at the center front neck. And you gotta trust me because the fur is super fluffy, super soft. I just love the feel of it. Feels really nice. And then for this style, the bodice, I was a little bit disappointed because it was in a twill fabric, but at the bottom is the sequins and then the jersey lining. But what I love about the mesh is that it has the white polka dot and being layered with a black fabric, and this is so smart. And I just love the effect of the fabric layering of the fabric. And again, it has a Velcro closure at the back, and the waist is made out of the shimmery elastic. So the top style is just very simple, but I love the bottom finishing. And it came with those 2 simple flaps. So silver color is just an ordinary pair, but then again, the quality is great, and then you can always style later on and fix it to whatever style you like. So next is a festive red PJ outfit, and it comes in a box, and I love opening boxes. So let's check it out. So we have the PJ top with a cute embossed print of the deer. It's super adorable. It comes in a raglan sleeve, Velcro closure at the back, and neck binding with the self fabric. And the tag, the thread was broken, so that's okay. And then we have the regular pair of pants with elastic waistband and super cute, adorable deer print on it with rib opening at the hem. We also have those adorable slippers. The white pom-pom, just like the deer's nose. And the handband with the deer's antlers. I'm very happy that I got this set, even though it's a Christmas theme, but it's just super adorable and I can't resist. And I got this set for $10. Next is a sparkle spa robe, and it comes in a box. Very nice. So let's check it out. It comes in this beautiful pastel color. And on the shawl collar, as you can see, it doesn't show, but in reality, it's kind of sparkle. And the fabric is super nice and soft. It has the embroidery of a flower at the back and a pocket, and that's how it looks like. It's fully faced.
Super awesome.
Yes, very cute. I love it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so his whole comes in with the tie, but there is no belt loop on the robe, and 2 hair ties in a pink color, and that's it. I wish it was a little bit longer, but that's okay. I'm actually very excited to open Z's Filming Accessories, and everything comes in this box, very compact. And when I open it up, it's like a long strand of elastic bag wrapped around each individual piece separately. So first we have this bag in the striped orange with the Z initial, and at the back, the strap is adjustable with the real buckle. And the front has a Velcro closure with the buckle, and there is some cute signs on it like a play button. And then it has a contrast color lining inside, totally clean finish. Then we have this phone to match my nail color. Let me try to take it off. I don't know if it works. Might be, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm gonna put everything in this bag just to see if everything fits. Next is a camcorder. It looks very realistic though. Okay, so the flap is actually opened, and there's a handle. And then you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's some play button, fast forward, rewind button. Next we have a professional camera with the fancy strap, and the strap, I think it can be taken off, and the lens is not adjustable even though you can twist a little bit. And then we have the camera holder for filming. I love it because it's adjustable. It's so realistic. This piece is the most realistic piece in the set. And then we have the tripod with adjustable legs, so the height could be higher or lower. That's how it is. This is awesome. So everything is very compact, and that's it. There's one more thing that I forgot to film, which are the postcards or photos, but it comes in a very small package, and that's it. Next is the Grand Hotel luggage cart, and I was really surprised how big the box came. So that's how it looks like at the front, and this is how it looks when the box is being opened. So we have a few accessories here. So we have this gold frame, and it comes with this very sturdy base and 4 cool red wheels. It wheels very smoothly. And this frame is made out of plastic, and we can actually clamp it onto the base. And that's it. So the garment hanger, you can rotate it.
And there's a cute little puppy helper right here.
He's very fluffy and he's super cute in the hotel's uniform. Well, we also have this star and polka dot garment bag that comes in with this pink hanger. And there's an American Girl doll shopping bag. I love collecting these bags too. So for this set, I got it for $25. I'm really happy that I got this. So you can see I can wheel back and forth. Here are our girls in the new outfits, and they look absolutely adorable. And just want to mention again that everything here I got was up to 60% off, and I'm very happy with the purchase. I got an amazing deal. And I just want to thank everyone for spending your time with me.
Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. And please subscribe to this channel if you're new here.
Okay, I will see you again. Goodbye.
Bye!